Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 137 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and guys, it is absolutely fantastic. It is such a good devotional. You can actually find this devotional at Hobby Lobby, maybe Walmart. I know you can get it on Amazon, and you can definitely download it on Audible. If you'd like to check out any of the previous episodes, there's a playlist in the description box. And I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 137. I am your Lord. Seek me as friend and lover of your soul. But remember that I am also King of Kings, sovereign over all. You can make some plans as you gaze into the day that stretches out before you, but you need to hold those plans tentatively, anticipating that I may have other ideas. The most important thing to determine is what to do right now. Instead of scanning the horizon of your life, looking for things that need to be done, concentrate on the task before you and the one who never leaves your side. Let everything else fade into the background. This will unclutter your mind, allowing me to occupy more and more of your consciousness. Trust me to show you what to do when you have finished what you are doing now. I will guide you step by step as you bend your will to mine. Thus you stay close to me on the path of peace. I do apologize about the lawnmower, guys. They've been mowing outside for like literally 2 hours, I think. I don't know. Anyways, let me read that last part one more time because I feel like the lawnmower kind of messed it up and you really need to hear this. Trust me to show you what to do when you have finished what you are doing now. I will guide you step by step as you bend your will to mine. Thus you stay close to me on the path of peace. Man, very, very good. Says you can make some plans as you gaze into the day that stretches out before you, but you need to hold those plans tentatively, anticipating that I may have other ideas. The most important thing to determine is what to do right now. So good. This is something that I struggle with because I'm a planner. I have a planner. I love my planner, and I constantly am writing in it. And if I don't, I will literally forget everything. I swear I cannot remember nothing, y'all. It's awful. Anyways, I do write everything down, and I'm constantly like going through my planner and checking everything and whatever. But, you know, I've noticed that if I don't start my day out focused on the Lord and asking the Lord to guide me throughout my day and asking the Lord to show me what's the most important thing that needs to be done in that particular day, the day just goes awry. I mean, nothing happens the way it's supposed to. It does not go right. You know, it's just a wasted day almost. And I know that happens. So I definitely try my best to remember to focus on God and let God guide my day and show me how, you know, what needs to be done. And honestly, being in the right now, the here and now, focusing on right now is so important. I didn't know how important it was until I lost Jace. But let me tell you something, you don't get those days back. There's no redos, there's no start over, no rewind. It's gone. So be present. Be present when you're with your family. Be present when you're trying to spend time with God. Don't let your mind wander. Discipline yourself. It's so important to be in the present moment because you never get those moments back. And that's something I had to learn the hard way. Man, this is very, very good. All right, let's do the verses. They will make war against the Lamb, but the Lamb will overcome them because he is Lord of lords and King of kings. And with him will be called chosen and faithful followers. Revelation 17:14. Oh, this next verse is actually on one of the headers in our house. I think it's in my son's room over his window. It says, many are the plans in a man's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails. Proverbs 19:21. To shine on those living in darkness and in the shadows of death, to guide our feet into the path of peace. Luke 1:79. Devotional says, I will guide you step by step as you bend your will to mine. Thus you stay close to me on the path of peace. If you want peace in your life, true, real peace, align your life with God's will. Ask God to show you what his will is for your life. Ask God to have his will be done, no matter what. I promise you, you will find that peace. God will give you that peace. Man, so good. So good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today. And you all have a blessed day.